I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Oh, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Cause it's only you, nobody.
Okay, ciao. Hello guys, so update on our Ford car. The last time the update here is we changed the fuel pump and then we put a new battery and it starts. So now we're fixing the aircon, so this is how it looks right now. That's because there's no aircon, and yeah, and in here they remove everything in front. I'll show you clear one. So that's how it looks like, and then they remove this one as well, and they remove that part. They removed everything in the front as well, and then from the steering wheel I'll go there on that side. So, and then those kuyas, they took the, is it the evaporator thing they took, because they're gonna clean it and test if it's there, if there's a leak. They bring it on their shop, so they're gonna test if there's a leak, and then they'll come back here. Oh, this, I think this is their, I have no idea what is that, but that's from them. So this is from the middle part. So that's how they remove, like that. So, and then they're gonna come back later on, so we will find out if we need to replace it and or they can fix it. So that's it. And then the back front part, other part is all there inside. So we'll see. So the knob of our aircon doesn't work, so we're asking, like somebody told us like they can change the stereotype including the aircon type, so it's not the knob anymore, so they can upgrade that. But our aircon guy right now, he says there's no such thing, so you really need to find the knob. So I don't know, what do you think, guys? So we'll see. I'll give you an update later on. So this is the first update, and then after the aircon we're gonna change this upholstery, all the chairs, because look how dirty it is and moldy. We left this for 5 months, we cleaned it, and now it's still like that. Even our Volvo car, we leave for 5 months, and then when we got here it's moldy. So don't leave your car without somebody checking it and cleaning it, so it don't get moldy here in the Philippines. So ciao. 5.0. Ginawa na talagang parking to, no? Ano kayang gagawin dito ang building na to? Yeah, it's this one, right?
This one?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Oh, thank you.
And I can stay. So this is another day and another quiz fixing our car. Good time. And then there's an app cleaning the car too. So we did a good job. Everything it smells good and smells clean. Oh, scary. You don't want to move your car on the sides? So it looks like. I'm gonna check that water.
That's our electric.
Yeah. Oh, it's not gonna kick in yet. That's next bill. They were working something in here, no? I think there's no more humps in there. Oh, no humps. Pothole. Huh. Huh, sign. I don't know. Oh, it's here it says no left turn. Huh. Come on. Okay, guys, it's Bebo's first ever discount, senior discount.
Well, they discount me, but I get it back at six.
Yeah, I know. So she got 428 discount. See that? It's his first ever senior discount. He just turned 60 anyway. And that's his ever first ever. But you need to ask, right? Because some restaurant they don't really ask, they don't really do discounts. So you just ask if they do or not. But yeah, we are at Texas Roadhouse. Yeah. So yeah, cool. I mean, with discount or not, we're always. And this is our pupus and the Tuchu's car now. They changed the, what do you call that? They changed again? For the aircon?
The fans.
Oh, they changed the fans. It costs 10,000, right? For the fan. And then the service is 4,000.
Shipping cost too.
Yeah, shipping cost. And then,
I think it was 10, 20 bucks for sure.
uh-huh. So today he paid 10,000 pesos. That includes the fans. And now we found another problem. What's that? The starter thing. So we're waiting for another kuya to put this thing again. I don't know what you call that. How much you paid for the kuya last time? For it's just the service you're paying, right? Because
$100 a year.
100 bucks? Wow. So the other mechanic, he paid last time 5,000 pesos. Oh, because he worked almost all day, right? Yeah. And then we have all the parts. So, and the aircon is working now perfectly. And then the radiator has a leak, right?
They fixed it.
Oh, they fixed it?
Yeah, epoxy.
Oh,
I had epoxy.
so he wanted to change it brand new, but they fixed it, put an epoxy, a universal solution for Filipinos. And then this is brand new. What do you call this yellow one?
Coils.
Coils that came from US. All the parts are from US. We brought it from US to here in Balikbayan box. And then this springs, that's the one we brought that from US. We put that on our luggage. Because in US, you can buy it already like that. Like was set already. Here, you can buy it chop piece by piece, right? And then you're just gonna put it together. So yeah, and we don't have any problem for that at the airport. Because it's only cost like 5,000 pesos. And our luggages has like X mark. That means the customs gonna check it. And our car is clean now. So the ate clean it. She's the detailer of their cars too. So see that? And it smells good. So it's very clean. Except of course that you cannot do that anymore. Clean that because it's already faded and old. Smells good and brand new. And Bebo fixed this too. He has a remedy, cannot open this window. So he just put wires. I don't know if you get wires. So you can open that. And then the door easily opened. He fixed it as well. And now we're waiting for another kuya. It's the mechanic, the main mechanic. He want us to find axle shaft bearing support for the front tire. But one of the shop that he gave us, they're out of stock, so I don't know where to get it yet. And so we're waiting for him. Right now he was pressing the old bearing on the shop, and then I'm gonna put it back so we can use it. And then they're gonna fix the radiator starter, I mean. So that's it for today. And everything is good, and soon we're gonna register it. So, yep. One look. Oh, he put this one too. We put that. That was cool. What are you gonna do now? Alright. And Bebo's gonna fix the radio because it needs code, and he watch it on YouTube. So we'll see if he's gonna fix it. He can fix it, I mean. So ciao, it's hot. I'm editing. Bye-bye. It should be time now, right? Not yet. Ready? Dun, 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 dun.
What's the code?
2758. No. Oh. One more. Okay. It's wrong again.
How many chances?
Last one. Let's watch that final thing, how he did it. Okay. Oh, why it's not there? Oh, it's not. 8275. 8, 2, 7, 4, 5, and then run. Ah! That's so cool. Oh, it's on CD. Where's the band? Probably mode auxiliary. What's that? I think it's bond, baby. Oh. Damn, we made it! Oh, hey, we got the antenna. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. But we really don't have much signal in here. That's cool. At least and it works now. Yeah. Out of my eyes. We're cool. Let's go check what's the update in the car, guys. I said it's almost done.
Yeah,
It's already dark, yeah. For today?
Take those in,
Oh, sure.
find another rod.
Oh, the one that we bought, it don't fit from US?
One side doesn't fit.
One side?
One side.
Oh.
It's the thread's a little smaller than the thread that came out.
Oh.
So he's gonna try to find a new one. If not, we'll go to the machine shop here and I'll go on to it and then we'll try it.
Oh.
It'll get fixed.
Uh-huh. No, baby, yeah. Maybe it's stuck inside. What's going on? That's it?